In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use our user connection. So on email, or you can connect to anybody, you can post, you can share your post, and you can send any business owner message, and you can send any friend message. You can follow people and you can send them message, and they can see your message immediately and respond to you. So this helps us to make sure that people can exchange communication on email world. So let's get started. Our default page on email now is a user connection. When you open this page, user connection page, then you will see all our latest updates on the video. From now on, we are going to be doing video of every page step by step. Okay, this is the community page. You can see the default post here, and you can see there's a button on the post, and there's another button on the right side on this video post here.
Let me show you how to extract.
So I'm going to show you how to make your post. This help people reset their product like RDP, SNTP. Our user need those stuff. So if you are a member of email world and you want to make money from other users, you can sell them product that we are not selling. Right now, our users are struggling mainly on SNTP, RDP, and more. You can sell them the product. So how to make posts? You can click on what on your mind at the top here, and here, then go ahead and write your message. This is testing. So this is the content, my content message description. Just write what you want here. You can upload image and video if you want. Make sure if you're uploading video, make sure it's short video. You can upload image here by choosing the image, uploading your image from computer. And the next thing you can do here, you can mention any of our page. If you scroll down, as I click this page, you can see the list of our pages. If your post talk about any page on email, or you can mention, you can tag the button. Okay, maybe this one is talk about Gmails and Gmail. So I'm going to tag something like email sender. Let's find email sender. That is it here. Then if you want to add your own custom button, just click this button here. Then you can type your button name. Join my Telegram room. Then you can paste your Telegram button here if you want. Let me go get my Telegram button. Copy. Then back to the site. Then, paste your link here. And then go ahead and make your post. Okay. So I'm going to show you how this works. So when you make a post, this is how the posts look like. Okay, you can see the post here. This post here, user can click on it and view your image. I can close the image. You can see email campaign. If I click it, it's going to take me to email sender page direct. Okay, you can see it have taken me to email sender page immediately. So we are going back to user connection again. And you can see the post. This is the post. Then the second button here. This is the second button here. When you click this second button, it's going to take you to my Telegram. You can see automatically take you to my own Telegram. So let's go back. So you can see the top post I made is already at default, and then the others down below here. If you post, you can post your YouTube link. When you click this, the video can play here. This is step by step how to use email word bio link to make money, or to resell email word, or to promote any affiliate. You can post the video, you can zoom here and post. You can like, you can write comment if you want. So you can write your comment. Good. So how to follow people? Let's say I want to follow a user based on their page. Let's go find someone. Let's say I want to follow this guy. All you have to do is click his profile. Then I can send this person, I can follow the person here by clicking follow, and I can send him message by clicking. I can also read his post. I can send him message by click in here. I can compose my message, hello, and then I'll send this guy a message. So he's going to receive my message. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to use this account to send myself message. I'm going to this my second account. Then I will give my second account follow. Okay. Now I follow the account. You can see the message, the post I'm doing here. So I can go ahead. So I can go ahead and click message. So I can just compose my message and just send it. Okay. Hello. I can send message to that my main account, and I can go back to my main account here. And if I go to my message, you can see that I have one message here, and I can go and respond. Hi. Then if I go back to here, you can see my hi message immediately here. So email would have become a social media platform that this help us to reach out to those people that you are targeting, making sure that you reach them, you know, and we get your message, and also, and that is easy way to communicate. Now you know how to use email. What you can write, you can love anybody post, and you can write comment, you can share, and you can follow the person and send the person message. In case if you want to communicate with anybody, if you want to sell anything, you make your post, add your link, and more.